Kia joins a new skating class. Kia is excited to learn skating. She always wanted to have wheels under her feet, glide and greet everyone around her. Mom tells her that all kids and adults need to engage in some form of physical activity because it lets you make new friends. You can be more confident as you feel stronger. The stomach gets hungrier. The bones get more power. Your ability to handle problems is better. So Kia agrees and joins the class with Arya. Parents take them to the market to buy the new skating gear. A helmet to protect the head. A pair of elbow pads so there are no injuries. A pair of wrist pads so falling doesn't give a bruise. A pair of knee pads for cushioning against cuts. And of course, quad skates with shoes to get the amazing experience of fast movement. Kia and Arya eat a banana, drink a glass of milk and munch on dry fruits before class. They pack a bottle of water and carry their new equipment. Coach Sir informs them about some skating tips and tricks. Slightly bend your knee while skating. Keep your body weight forward. Start by marching against a railing. This will give good balance. Whenever you are ready to glide, alternate between the 2 feet. Glide with right, lift the left foot. Glide with left, lift the right foot. Take small steps. Use the wheel brakes to stop. Kia and Arya hold hands and they try to glide together. Kia falls down and laughs. Arya helps her, but she knows one has to solve their own problems. So she gets up and gets moving again. A little girl named Sara has just joined. She seems very uncomfortable with the gear. Kia approaches her and finds that her helmet chin strap is too tight. Kia helps loosen it. She wipes the teardrops from Sara's spectacles. Sara thanks Kia and they spend the rest of the class gliding through the lawns and feeling the lovely air on their face. Moral: help yourself and your friends too.